Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zikr Purwala. I'm a student of Rehan School, Green Campus. As you know, we do many interviews on a daily basis. So we have Colony with us and we will about them. Hello Annie, how are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. Just got back from a lovely yoga class this morning. I'm Annie, a 30-year-old redhead from New Jersey who loves art, engineering, and outdoor activities.
Okay Annie, that's great. Today my topic is stock market. Invest in the stock market.
I've never invested in the stock market, but I'm curious to learn more about it.
Okay Annie, my first question is this. What is the stock market?
The stock market is a place where people buy and sell parts of companies.
How does the stock market work?
It's like a big store where people trade pieces of companies called stocks with
What
each
are
other.
stocks and shares?
Stocks are small parts of a company that people can buy and own.
What is a stock exchange?
I think you mean stock exchange. It's a place where people buy and sell stocks.
How are stock prices determined?
Stock prices are determined by how much people are willing to pay for them.
What factors influence stock prices?
Many things like company performance, economy, and demand affect stock prices.
What is the difference between a bull market and a bear market?
A bull market is when prices go up, and a bear market is when prices go down.
What is a stock index?
A stock index is a group of stocks that show how the market is doing.
How do stock index like the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average work?
It tracks the performance of a group of big companies to show how the market is doing.
What is an initial public offering (IPO)?
It's when a company sells stocks to the public for the first time.
How can investors buy stocks?
Investors can buy stocks through a brokerage firm or online trading platform.
What is a brokerage account?
It's a special account that helps you buy and sell stocks.
What are the different types of stock orders, market order, limit order?
There are three main types: market orders, limit orders, and stop loss orders.
What is the difference between common and preferred stock?
Common stocks give voting rights, while preferred stocks get priority on dividends.
How do dividends work?
Dividends are like rewards that companies give to their shareholders.
What is the price or to earning PE ratio?
It's a number that shows how much people pay for each dollar a company earns.
What is market capitalization?
It's the total value of a company's outstanding shares.
What is the difference between large cap mid cap and small cap stock?
Mid-cap is between large and small companies in size.
What are blue chip stocks? And my question is this: what are blue chip stocks?
YouTube stores are like online shops where creators sell merchandise.
What is a stock split?
A stop loss is an order to sell a stock when it falls to a certain price.
What is a reverse stock split?
It's when a company combines its shares to make fewer, more valuable ones.
How does short selling work?
You sell a stock you don't own, hoping to buy it back cheaper later.
What are the risks associated with short selling?
You can lose a lot of money if the stock price goes up instead of down.
What is a stock buyback?
If the stock price goes up, you'll lose money.
What is insider trading and why is it illegal?
Insider trading is when people use secret company info to trade stocks unfairly.
What is technical analysis in stock trading?
It's a way to predict stock prices by looking at charts and patterns.
How do earning reports impact stock prices?
Good earnings make stock prices go up, bad earnings make them go down.
What are dividend and how are they paid out?
I'll reply in a second. First, I'd like to ask you, would you like to subscribe to Call Annie Super? It comes with access to more features and unlimited call time. Dividends are parts of a company's profit shared with its shareholders.
What is a dividend yield?
Antitrust.
What is a stock market bubble?
When stock prices go up too high and then suddenly drop.
What is the .com bubble?
It seems like you're sharing a website, but I think there might be a typo in the URL.
What was the impact of the 2008 financial crisis on the stock market? What was the impact of the 2008 financial crisis on the stock market? What was the impact of the 2008 financial crisis on the stock market?
It was a really tough time. The stock market crashed and many people lost a lot of money.
How do interest rates affect the stock market?
It made stock prices go way down.
What is the role of the Federal
The rule
Reserve in the stock
of
market?
72 helps you find out how long it takes for
What are stock market sectors?
Stock market sectors are groups of companies in the same industry, like tech or healthcare.
What are growth stocks?
We must keep learning to keep growing.
What are value stocks? What are value stocks?
Value stores are companies that are undervalued by the market.
What is portfolio diversification?
Spreading your money across different types of investments to reduce risk.
What are exchange traded funds? ETFs.
They're like baskets that hold many stocks or bonds.
What is a mutual fund?
Learning is a lifelong journey, and staying curious is key.
How do mutual funds differ from ETFs?
Mutual funds are actively managed, but ETFs track an index.
What is the role of a financial advisor in stock trading?
Dollar cost averaging helps reduce market risks.
What is algorithmic trading?
It's using computers to buy and sell stocks automatically.
How does high frequency trading impact the stock market?
It makes buying and selling happen very fast.
What is the significance of market liquidity? What is the significance of market liquidity? Annie, can you hear me? How does high frequency trading impact the stock market?
It can
What is the significance of market liquidity?
it helps you buy or sell stocks quickly and at a good price.
What are penny stocks?
Penny stops are like super small limits on stock price changes to prevent big losses.
What is the Securities and Exchange Commission SEO?
SEC is like a referee that makes sure stock markets are fair and honest.
What are the tax implications of stock trading?
You gotta pay taxes on profits you make from selling stocks.
How can investors mitigate risk in the stock market?
Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk.
What is the role of market makers in the stock market?
They help buy and sell stocks by providing prices.
How do stock options work?
I take a deep breath.
And my question is, how do stock options work?
I relax with yoga and video games after work.
What are call option and put option?
Calls and puts are types of options.
What is the strike price in options trading?
Strike price is the fixed price to buy or sell a stock.
What is the expiration date in option contracts?
It's the last day you can use the option.
How do margin account work?
You borrow money to buy more stocks.
What are the risks of trading on margin? What are the risks of trading on margin?
You can lose a lot of money quickly.
What is a margin call?
A call is when you think a stock's price will go up.
How does dollar cost averaging work?
It's a strategy to reduce losses by buying more stocks at lower prices.
What is iStock beta?
It's a platform to practice trading with fake money.
What is alpha in stock trading?
Alpha is a measure of how well a stock performs compared to the market.
What are penny stock and why are they considered risky?
Penny stocks are cheap stocks that can be very risky because they can lose value quickly.
What is our trading hell?
Trading hell is when you lose a lot of money quickly.
My question is how can investor use beta to manage portfolio risk?
Investors can use beta to manage portfolio risk by choosing stocks with low beta for less volatility.
What are penny stocks and why are they considered risky?
I think you meant penny stocks. They're not considered gay, but rather, they're cheap stocks that can be very risky.
What triggers are circuit breaker in stock trading?
Triggers are automatic orders that execute when a stock reaches a certain price.
How do geopolitical events impact the stock market?
Geopolitical events can make stock prices go up or down suddenly.
How do corporate earnings sessions influence the stock market?
Good earnings reports make stock prices go up.
What is insider information and where is the regulated?
Insider information is secret company info that only a few people know.
What are the major global stock exchanges?
I'll reply in a second. First, I'd like to ask you, would you like to subscribe to Call Annie Super? It comes with access to more features and unlimited call time. Major global stock exchanges are NYSE, NASDAQ, and LSE.
How does foreign exchange forex market influence the stock market?
Forex market changes can affect stock prices too.
What is a special purpose equation company?
I think you meant private equity.
How do mergers and acquisitions affect stock prices?
I think you meant mergers and acquisitions.
What is a hostile takeover?
We're talking about a hostile takeover.
How do act visit investor impact companies and other stock prices?
Impact investing helps investors make money and do good for the environment or society.
Okay, my next question is what is a shareholder proxy vote?
I think you meant shareholder meeting.
What is a shareholder meeting and where is the important?
A shareholder meeting is when company owners gather to discuss important business decisions.
How do stock analysts influence stock prices?
Stock analysts' opinions can make stock prices go up or down.
What are buy side and sell side analysis?
I think you meant bullish and bearish analysis.
How do stock rating buy, buy, hold, and sell affect investor behavior?
We can't stop it, but transparent ratings help investors make informed decisions.
What is a 52-week high low?
I think you meant to say something about a stock's performance, but I'm
What
not sure what you mean by R52 and high load.
what is a moving average and how is it used in stock trading?
A moving average helps track a stock's price trend by averaging its prices over time.
What is the MACD moving average conver- convergence diverse divergence indicator?
MHD stands for momentum, histogram, and divergence, which are technical indicators in stock trading.
How do Bollinger Band help in stock trading?
Bollinger Bands help traders identify price trends and find entry and exit points by showing volatility and momentum.
What is the relative strength index RSI?
The RSI measures how fast a stock is rising or falling to show if it's overbought or oversold.
What is a candlestick chart and how is it used in technical analysis?
A candlestick chart shows a stock's price movements over time, helping traders make buy or sell decisions.
What are support and resistance level in stock trading?
Support levels are prices where buyers step in, and resistance levels are prices where sellers take control.
Okay. What are support and resistance level in stock trading?
Support is the price where buyers buy, and resistance is the price where sellers sell.
What is a breakout in stock trading?
A breakout is when a stock's price moves above a resistance level or below a support level.
What is a trend line and how is it used?
A trend line is a line on a chart that shows the direction of a stock's price movement.
What are growth stock and income stocks?
Gross income is the total money earned, and net income is the profit left after subtracting expenses.
How do environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors influence stock investing?
ESG factors help investors choose stocks that are good for the planet and society, not just profitable.
What is socially responsible investing or SRI?
SRI is investing in companies that do good for people and the planet, not just making money.
My next question is what is the impact of automation and robotics on the stock market?
Automation and robotics can increase efficiency and productivity, boosting stock prices.
Okay. My next question is this.
Automation helps companies save money and make more products, which can make their stock prices go up.
What is the dark pool and how does it function in the stock market?
I'll reply in a second. First, I'd like to ask you, would you like to subscribe to Call Annie Super? It comes with access to more features and unlimited call time.
What
A
is
dark pool is a secret
what is the role
market
of
where big
artificial
investors
intelligence
trade
in the
stocks
stock
without showing.
trading?
AI helps analyze big data to make smart investment decisions.
Okay, and my next question is this. What is the blockchain technology
Let's
and how is it being used in the stock market?
Blockchain is a secure way to record transactions, and it's being used to make stock trading faster and safer.
Okay, thank you, Annie. Uh, we meet after our new guest and new topic. Thank you, Ella.